Good morning. I'm just about to head out to work, but I just wanted to make this video. It's been a long time coming just to give you a tour of the second version of the Maverick topper. It sleeps 4 people, a little squishy, but it sleeps 4 people. It only weighs 203 pounds, and I uploaded a short YouTube video that you can see where I weighed the camper, and just over 200 pounds for a camper like this is awesome. It fits right on the back of the truck, FordMaverick, and I love it. So anyways, I just wanted to make this video. It's been a long time coming. The camper's been done for a few months. Life has just been pretty busy that I haven't been able to film this video and show you guys some more detail of this camper. So that's what I wanted to show you guys today, and go ahead and check it out. So let me bring you around here. You can see we've got the bug splatter up front as usual, but everything else is nice and clean. Here's what it looks like. We got the stripes on the side. Up front, we got a window here. And then this is for a heater, a diesel heater. I don't want to pop it off, but you just pop this cap off and you can connect the heater hose. And I've got a window on both sides, and then I also have one in the rear. So there's a window on all 4 sides. None of them open, they're just plexiglass to keep the cost down but bring the light in. And you can also see up front, I've got LED strip lights. There's 4 16-foot strip lights inside and out in total, and they're all dimmable, and you can see they come up to the front a good amount, and they just follow the roof line underneath. And you can see on the back is where they get doubled up. So I've got 1 strip on the left and right, but then the back overlaps, and so then I've got 2 lights. And the reason for that is if we're camping and we're situated on the left side, then we can have just lighting outside just on the left side and not disturb any neighbors that might be on the right side. So, and vice versa. So that's something cool about the lighting there. And then 2, if you want both sides on, you get double the light in the rear. So that works out nice. Here's the back. I've got a little awning to keep water away from the door. And the door just pops open like that on gas struts, which have been awesome. The campers in the past that I've done for the Maverick have just had a stick holding it up for the door. And it's simple and easy, but after opening and closing multiple times, you really start to appreciate the gas struts more. So I've got a handle on the door, gas struts on both sides, and then you walk in and here's the inside of the camper. So up top, I've got 2 full panels of insulation. I believe it's only R3.5 value. It's 1-inch insulation, and it was only like 13 bucks a sheet. And I figured the roof was one of the best places to put the insulation, and it's easy enough to put it up there, just glue it up, and that helps a little bit inside the camper. Looking over here to the left side, we've got a cubby for the power station, and then a little shelf above, and then we've got the fan just hanging here. Just helps move air around inside, and you can adjust how tall it is with the paracord. Here's where all the lighting is. It's not the prettiest, but these are all LED dimmer switches. You just turn the knob and you can dim the lights. So that's been nice. As far as the lights go on the inside, you can see a strip starts here, goes all the way down, and finishes there. The other light starts here and goes all the way over here, and then it even comes down the middle section right here. And so inside you've got plenty of light, all dimmable, which is cool. Up top over the overhang, I usually have 2 of these 3-inch foam mattresses that lay here to make a 2-person bed. It's 4 feet wide and it's 6.5 feet long. Got 2 sleeping bags, a pillow, and then down here, this is the lower bed. So it just hangs in with this clip here. That's what holds it up. And then here, this becomes a large 1-person bed down here. And for the 4-person bed, you can actually slide this right here. That's why I have these cutouts, so the bed comes out a little further than these cubbies. And then I have another piece that fills in that gap to make a 2-person bed down here. I think it's a couple inches narrower than the bed up top. But yeah, in fact, we've actually slept 3 adults and 1 child in here, and that worked out pretty well. Having 4 full-size adults though is tighter. And I have some plans for the next model. I always do. I love building these campers and upgrading different aspects of it. Bringing you over to the right side, we've got that same cubby. This one I actually use for the 7-gallon water jug, and it's awesome there. This keeps it in place, and so the nice thing is the water jug is suspended in the air in the back of the truck, so you can always fill up your water bottle, get a drink of water, or fill up a wash basin, and it always sits there and it's always ready to go, and I love that. Then there's a little shelf above. Then on both sides, we've got some carpet, and it's just sitting there loose, and that's worked out nice. It's just a little softer on the ledge there. So, yeah. And also, let me show you, this is the other side of that diesel heater port. And I got a thermometer. There's that window. And then I got the 3 windows in the back here. So, in a nutshell, that's the camper. And if you're wondering, these are the brackets that secure the camper to the truck. And so all you do is, once the camper is sitting on top of the bed rails of the truck, you just put these C-clamps underneath, just like you would a truck shell. I think this one might be out a little bit more. But then you just cinch it down here and turn that bolt, and then that clamps the camper to the bed rails of the truck. And I've got 4 of those so we got 1 in each corner. And yeah, I think that's about it with the camper. So thanks again for watching and checking out this video. Stay tuned for any other builds that I'm working on. I do have another build I just started this week that's supposed to be a pop-up camper for the Ford Maverick. I really appreciate you watching these videos and your support. If you could give me a like on the video, that would be awesome. And yeah, thanks for stopping by and have a wonderful day.